Santosh, Surabi, Technical Director at Messagemaker Displays. Almost 13 years, started off as a contract engineer for 2 weeks at Messagemaker. It's been there since. I think my involvement in developing the new MS1 has been my career high, I think. Too many. I think I've learned a lot though. I think too many to name in this interview. I wouldn't underestimate the strength and capabilities we have as a business and go for bigger contracts or bigger tenders or bigger jobs in general. I think many Teams meetings could be 2-line emails. Don't let important things become urgent. This came from Danny. I think problem solving. I think that's always been my thing. I look at solutions or products just in regards of solving a problem. I think Danny. I would be twiddling with wires still if it wasn't for Danny. I reckon it's dynamic. It's ever evolving. So keeps me engaged in what's coming, in terms of technology. I don't, but luckily for me, my wife is also an engineer, so she understands that you got to work late or get things done. No charger. Could do with faster adoption of new technologies. I think in the UK there's a bit of a phase where it takes time to adopt new technologies.